Condition of tangency, a very important concept. Now basically what we are going to write it here, that the condition for a line y is equal to mx plus c may touch the parabola y square is equal to 4ax, hence find the equation of the tangent in the slope form to the given parabola, also find the coordinates of the point of contact. Now a line, what is the condition that a line should touch a parabola in only one and a one point? This is our topic. Okay. So here we are given equation of a line is given to us. Now the given equation of line is y is equal to mx plus c, number 1. Equation of a parabola is given to us. The given equation of parabola is y square is equal to 4ax. 2. Equation of parabola I have written, equation of line I have written. Now let us find the conditions. Now solving simultaneously one and 2, mx plus c whole square is equal to 4ax. What I have done it? I have just substituted the value of y in equation 2. Now this becomes what? M square x square plus 2 mcx, twice of mcx plus c square minus 4ax is equal to 0. Or we can write it now, m square x square plus 2mc minus 4a with x plus c square is equal to 0. Okay. Now let this be the third equation. Now this equation, what we are having, when we are solving this part of this becomes a quadratic equation. When we are solving this equation, we are having, or we will be getting, two different roots. Okay. For the x we will be having two different roots, we will be having two same roots, we will be having an imaginary roots. Okay. So for all this we have to move for exactly same roots, because a tangent to a parabola will be touching only at one and one single point. Okay. So substituting the values of x in equation 1, we will be having two roots, two equal roots, two unequal roots and two imaginary roots. Okay. So now the line 1 means this one, y is equal to mx plus c will become a tangent to the parabola, that is equation 2, if it meets the parabola at one and only one point. And what the condition will be? Hence discriminant b square minus 4ac should be equal to 0, because when b square minus 4ac is 0, then we are having two equal real roots. Is it clear? So this is the main condition which we are going to use here, only one, that is for two equal real roots. Now if now b square minus 4ac, from here what b square is 2mc minus 4a whole square minus 4 times m square times c square is equal to 0. Is it clear? Now this becomes 4m square c square negative of 16 mca positive of 16a square negative of 4m square c square is equal to 0. These two terms can be cancelled. So we are left with what? We are left with 16a square is equal to 16, or we can write it c first. We can just write it 16 times mc is equal to 16 times a, or c is equal to a upon m. This is one of the condition. Okay. So hence find the equation of the tangent in the slope form to the given parabola. Now we got the value of c. Okay. We got the value of c. Now equation of tangent. Now, substitute the value of c in equation 1 the equation of tangent in slope form is, now the equation of tangent will be, now we have to put the value of c in equation number 1. So we are having y is equal to mx plus a upon m. Y is equal to mx as it is plus c, that is y is equal to mx plus a upon m. Now this is one thing. Now substituting c is equal to a upon m in equation 3 we get, now equation 3 is which one? This is the equation 3. Now here we have to put value of c. So m square x square plus twice of mc minus 4a twice of m with a upon m minus 4a with x plus again plus c square. C is what? A upon m. A upon m whole square is equal to 0. Here m and m cancels, we are left with 2a minus 4a, that is negative of 2a. Okay. So this becomes now m square x square negative of 2ax plus a upon m whole square is equal to 0. mx minus a upon m whole square is equal to 0, or we are having x is equal to a upon m square. Is it clear? Now one more thing we have got it. Now substituting value of x is equal to a upon m square and c is equal to a upon m in equation 1. In equation 1. Okay. What we are getting now? Y is equal to, it is mx plus c. So, m times a upon m square plus c. C is what? A upon m. Now, this is equal to y becomes twice of a upon m. Okay. Now, hence, point of contact also find the coordinates of the point of contact. Hence, point of contact coordinate is value of x and value of y, that is a upon m square and 2a upon m. Now look what we have done it. One more thing. Now just check it. Let's check it. Find the condition that the line y is equal to mx plus c may touch the parabola y square is equal to 4ax. Hence find the equation of the tangent in the slope form to the given parabola. Also find the coordinates of the point of contact. Now we got, after finding the discriminant, we got c is equal to a upon m. One thing. Then we substitute the value of c. We get y is equal to mx plus a upon m, equation of the tangent. And then further solving this part, we are getting these as the coordinates, a upon m square and 2a upon m. Only at this point the line will touch the parabola at one and only